Sunday, y'all. Happy Sunday. This is the second Sunday in July of 2023. So I went out to the store, getting some things, getting ready to go on vacation, and then just getting things to have in the house. I want to worry about that when I get back. So I got Hellman's Mayo. This is $3.87 this week. That's a really good buy. This has been as much as $7, $8. I got onion. I only got enough to use the next 2 days. I got one apple. I'm only working 2 days this week. I got my cut and peel carrots because I'm getting ready to make a stew along with my red potatoes. Fun fact, I prefer to pick my own potatoes instead of buying them in a 10-pound bag. However, the big bag is cheaper, but I only paid $2 for these red potatoes, and I think that was pretty good. My son wanted some Sour Patch. Y'all, he'll have these up until probably September. Got some more Doritos for now, and then to take with us, I got some my Downy I always get. I got this Vagisil. It's hard to find it at Walmart. A lot of times it's locked up. I like the odor block, and I like the pH balance, but they didn't have the Vagisil sprays. And so I got this Summer's Eve, but it didn't spray out last time, but it's made to spray upside down, if you know what I mean. And I got my grandson this from Sam's. The swim trunks with the splash thing. I got the healthy plates. We were just completely out. We have maybe 2 left. I got me some collard greens. I wanted cabbage. The cabbage didn't look good, so I went ahead and got these. I'll see other than that. I got these collard greens, so I got to pick them. It's not but I think it's 4 bunches, so it won't take me very long. I got my peanuts. Although I'm going to only work 2 days this week, I have them when I get back. I got my paper towels and my toilet paper, and that is it, y'all. I don't know how much I spent. I think this stuff was like $50-something at Sam's, I guess. I don't know. But the reason why I got that mayo, why it's on sale, I think I might go get some more. We're gonna be in an Airbnb, and I think I'm gonna take and cook one day for us. I'm gonna do fried catfish, potato salad, hush puppies, green salad, stuff like that. All right, y'all. So y'all just stay safe, stay cool. If you're out working in the heat and you feel yourself getting overexhausted or whatever, go into a cool spot, keep you something to drink. Just stay safe, everybody. Talk to y'all later. Much love. Bye.
Hey y'all, so I got a sampler from Belk's, and there was a $15 off coupon inside. I like getting my fragrances in the little samplers like this so that I can actually look at them and see, and try them out and see if it's really something that I like. Because sometimes what smells good on somebody may not smell good on you. So they were packaged like this.
So let's see what we have here. We have Silhouette All Natural Christian Serrano. We have Beautiful Magnolia. I think I had that one last time. Here is the Belk $15 off. Oh, look, it expired on the 1st. Oh my goodness, they didn't tell me that. I didn't even know. We have Rachel Zoe Instinct. We have Fame by Paco Rabanne. We have Viva La Juicy by Juicy Couture. We have Cashmere Mist by Donna Karen. We have Amazing Grace Bergamot by Philosophy. We have Euphoria by Calvin Klein. And this is Rebecca Minkoff. This is that's the name of it. Yeah. Alibi by Oscar De La Renta. And we also have Oscar by Oscar De La Renta. We have a Coach Wild Rose, Clinique Happy, and Be Delicious by DKNY. And here is the atomizer to no, this is Jimmy Choo, I'm sorry. Okay, so here's the atomizer to actually put your little perfumes in. All right, y'all, that's it. This is what it looks like when you open it up. Then you just set it down up in there. Yeah, it does. And then we just set the in the inside. Just pour it in here. All right, y'all. Y'all be blessed. It's the 4th. I got through cooking, and I'm just enjoying the rest of my day. Talk to y'all later. Be blessed. Bye.
Hold up, y'all. I ain't through yet.
Hey, y'all. Happy Tuesday. Y'all know I go shop for sales on that last day of the sale week. But I really wasn't planning to go. I just picked up some things at Kroger. Mostly what I wanted to get was my little great niece. Very, very smart. She's not even 2. So I got her some training underwear. And I don't know if it's the right size. Because if she's 30 pounds, will I get the 34 or should I go up? I don't know. But if these are the wrong ones, they can take them back and exchange them. So I got them for her. And they were on sale for $8. And then I got a big thing of the whites. I got me some ground beef. I got me some Country Time lemonade. I needed some cranberry juice, some Cheez-Its. And they put these in here. These not even mine. I didn't order that. I got me a cushaw, y'all. I got me some green onion. I got me some chicken thighs. I want to make me the panda chicken with the fried rice one day. I got me some sweet potatoes. Some pecan praline ice cream that I don't need. I must have was hungry for something sweet. I got me an apple pie. I got some catfish fillets. My grandbaby is here. He said he wanted some catfish tomorrow.
Fun fact, y'all. I do not like fried frozen catfish. So if I buy it frozen, I don't like to thaw it out and fry it. Now, if I buy it fresh and I freeze it, when I thaw it out, it still tastes fresh. But frozen catfish thawed to fry, like you buy frozen, it's a difference in the texture and the taste of the meat of the fish, to me. Let me know if y'all feel the same way. Now, I'll take it and like grill it, pan sear it. But I don't like to buy frozen fish to fry. I like to buy fresh fish to fry. Even if I buy it fresh, freeze it, and thaw it, it's a difference in that than getting it frozen already. So comment below if you like it the same way. So I'm going to do him some fish and shrimp tomorrow. And I got another pack of these pork chops. Look, y'all. $5.18 for 5 pork chops. Can't beat that. And I got me some boneless skinless thighs. $4.85. And that's it. I just wanted to show y'all what I got. I'm rambling a little bit kind of fast. I want to get through with this. All right. Talk to y'all later. Be blessed. Bye.